we can restore southwestern forests.
We are working to create sustainable wildlands.
Healthier forests.
Healthier watersheds.
Healthier grasslands.
Healthier meadows.
Healthier streams.
Healthier trees.
Healthier wildlife habitat.
Healthier wildflowers.
Healthier soils. Healthier fire conditions.
We're putting fire back into the ecosystem.
We need healthier economies.
Sustainable jobs.
Sustainable communities.
At the Ecological Restoration Institute, we're finding solutions to unhealthy ecosystems.
That's what we do.
That's what I do.
I'm with the Ecological Restoration Institute at Northern Arizona University.
I'm with ERI.
We're at NAU. Let's restore.
Let's restore.
Let's restore southwestern forests.